Shukor nakashlem jong nongsan Hima.
Symbud Lamphang ka yeng dorbar thawan ka jela Timothy di Shira minta ka singa ka pratri unai lur ula IT ya ka shithi no kam jong sha Lamphang ka yeng dorbar thawan ka jela kabadai ka singis dang ya ka dorbar senrai ya ka nila pembina da commissioner and secretary ka yeng dorbar thawan ka jela Dr. Andrew Simon Lamphang ka yeng dorbar thawan Thomas A Sangmaru ula padyang ya kani ka shithi no kam jong Timothy ka bansdang nadu menta kasi habayo bane kren bat Lamphang ka yeng dorbar thawan ka jila Thomas A Sangma ula yathu bahne ka step ula yo ka shithi no kam na Timothy Shira bat ula padyang ya ka Lamphang ula yathu ba ula khat jingelang karki bat ki dikhat ka business advisory committee banrai yanu banje deputy speaker bat hadin ka jinge kren kilarai banjit hakasi bakhadu jongador bar sinrai habakli Lamphang bana ka kada Timothy resign Lamphang ula yathu ba klem yathu henry ushithu ba ula yo ya ka hukum na Nongïalam ba hakle do ka party
Speaker Mr. T.T. Shira has resigned. If you can tell us.
Okay. Yes. This morning, I have received the letter of resignation from the Deputy Speaker, Honorable Deputy Speaker, and accordingly, I have accepted it. And immediately, I had called for an emergent meeting of the BAC Business Advisory Committee to decide and review the calendar of this ongoing autumn session as to when we can take the time to elect a new Deputy Speaker. So we had accordingly sat down, the BSc had sat, and we have decided that we will go. The election of a new Deputy Speaker will take place on the last day of the autumn session.
Has he cited the reason why he has resigned?
No, he just said, I'm resigning. Because I was told that he has received from the party high command that he should step down. That's all. That's what he had told me.
Whom do we replace?
I don't know. I'm sorry?
Whom do we replace?
That is for maybe the legislative party to decide on